Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. This is Faizan Iqbal and I'm here with the topic Marhaba Ramadan. Welcome, O month of Ramadan. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي رب يسر ولا تعسر وتمم بالخير. Bismillah. With the sighting of the moon of Sha'ban, one can feel the month of Ramadan approaching. Hearts begin to fill with joy and anticipation. And why shouldn't they? Indeed, an honorable guest is about to arrive, bringing much mercy, blessings, and privilege. How many people were worshipping with us last Ramadan? Alas, they are no longer in this world, no longer in the mosques. Today, they lay in their graves. Today, how many are unable to fast due to old age, a physical or mental illness, or some other cause? Therefore, those of us who are fortunate enough to be able to take advantage of this blessed month should welcome Ramadan with love and gratitude. One should start preparing enthusiastically for it and should respond wholeheartedly to the call in excel good deeds. The Prophet Muhammad said, "When the month of Ramadan arrives, a caller cries out, 'O seeker of good, proceed. O seeker of evil, deceit.'" Narrated in Sunan al-Tirmidhi, 682. Here are a list of things to do before Ramadan. First, fast in the first half of the month of Sha'ban, especially to make up the missed fasts of the previous month of Ramadan. However, after the 15th of Sha'ban, refrain from fasting to conserve your body's energy in preparation for Ramadan. Second, read books or listen to lectures to educate yourself about the rulings on Ramadan so that you can fast and worship with the proper etiquettes and conditions. Third, speak to your family, friends, and neighbors about Ramadan to help them mentally prepare for it. Fourth, spread knowledge about Ramadan by distributing booklets, cassettes, and CDs or by giving them as gifts. Fifth, clean your house thoroughly and organize your belongings. For example, arrange a cassette or MP3 player to listen to the Quran while working around the house. Acquire dua booklets, etc. Sixth, complete all important tasks such as buying your monthly groceries, Eid clothes for family members, servants, and other dependents, and Eid gifts for relatives and friends so that your worship in Ramadan is not interrupted. Seventh, set aside money and other items that you intend to give in charity, and decide beforehand what needs to be given to whom, how much, and when. Eighth, make a to-do list of everyday household chores. Ninth, set goals for different acts of worship and allocate specific times for them. Acts of worship include, but are not limited to, recitation of the Quran, its memorization, voluntary prayers, remembrance, supplications, dua, and charity. 10th, for ease, schedule various acts of worship around prayer times. Here is an example of a typical schedule a Muslim must follow of various acts and deeds in the month of Ramadan. From Fajr to sunrise. Pray Fajr prayer, recitation of the Quran, morning supplications, and reading beneficial literature. From sunrise to Dhuhr. Pray voluntary Ishraq prayers after sunrise to mid-morning, listen or conduct Quran review sessions like Dawr Quran, Zuhr prayer, and daily work routine. And from Dhuhr to Asr, have an afternoon nap, do other work, and pray Asr prayer. From Asr to Maghrib, do preparation for iftar, evening supplications, and dhikr. From Maghrib to Isha, have iftar, pray Maghrib prayer, have dinner, and prepare for Taraweeh. And in the night, sleep for a part of the night. Then before dawn, pray tahajjud, seek forgiveness, do astaghfar, and then prepare for suhoor. You must always remember that these are a few numbered days. This is why you must spend most of your time in worship and performing good deeds. Minimize the time spent on fulfilling personal needs, and avoid all unimportant and useless activities. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ said, Ramadan has come to you, a blessed month. With this, signing off, Faizan Iqbal. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.